K. Mishra, PGT Chemistry for class 9th. Video are provided. There are following process by which we can obtain one state from another state. In previous class, I discussed about some process by which we can convert one state to another state. These are the following: melt, the process by which we obtain liquid state from solid state by heating. It means solid converted to liquid state. That process is called melt. Solid converted to liquid by heating. When solid absorb energy to convert liquid state. Example for ice. When ice kept on palm, it absorb energy from surrounding or with our hand and convert into water. That process by which ice converted to water is called melt. It means any solid when heated at a temperature converted into liquid, such process is called melt, and that temperature is called its melting point. Melting point is that temperature on which solid converted into liquid. So melting point is characteristics of matter. Every matter melt at different temperature. So it is the characteristic of matter. Like gold had very high melting point in comparison of silver, iron, copper, aluminium. Copper have high melting point than aluminium. Iron have high melting point than copper. Iron have high melting point than candle wax. Next, evaporation, the process by which any liquid changes to gaseous state by heating is called evaporation. Liquid change to gas by heating process is called evaporation. Example for water, when heated, it convert to its water vapor. Vapor is obtained from water by the process. Such process is called evaporation. So evaporation can defined when any liquid heated, it convert into its vapor. Such process is called evaporation. When water is heated, it convert into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Any liquid can convert into vapor when they become heated. Next process is condensation, the process by which gases convert into liquid is called condensation. Gas changes to liquid by cooling or by under pressure. Like the water vapor present on pot and it displaces from that spot the water vapor present on that surface after some times in the form of liquid water droplets. So gases or gaseous state cooled then convert into liquid. Example, water vapor, when cooled, it becomes changed to water. LPG, liquid petroleum gas. When the fuel gas under pressure convert into liquid form. So these gases are called liquid petroleum gas. Solidification. Liquid converted into solid process is called solidification. Water converted into ice is example of solidification. Sublimation. The process in which solid directly converted into gas without going in liquid state is called sublimation. Solid, when heated, converted into gaseous state without going in intermediate liquid state. Such process is called sublimation. Example for camphor, that is in solid state, when it is heated, directly converted in gaseous phase camphor vapor. Iodine is in solid state, directly converted into iodine vapor. Ammonium chloride, when heated, directly converted into vapor. So this process is called sublimation. Also, gases directly converted into solid is called sublimation. It is also called desublimation.